In this video, we're going to break down the new Ford Bronco Heritage Edition, how it is a great deal and how it compares to its sister trim levels. What's up guys, it's Marissa with Krietz Customs, and we're going to start this video off with a little history lesson. Raise your hand if you were born in the 1960s or remember the 1960s and remember the first Bronco that ever came out. Show of hands. Not me, because I was born in '93, so it was way after my time, but some of you guys may remember. My dad actually used to have one of the older Broncos, and he used to pick me up from school when I was super embarrassed. But not anymore, because I love the Broncos and I like the way they remodified them. So looking at the new Heritage Edition Bronco, this is going to have some of the 1960s qualities from the original one, and they kind of revamped it and put it into the 20th century, so that way you get the best of both worlds. Let me show you some of the exterior items that they kept with the 1960s. So come close. So you guys can see across the front portion of the grille, it's got that color matched white, and you guys can see that it says Ford instead of the Bronco on the other sister trim levels. If you come over here to the side, you guys can see the Bronco striping. This was standard procedure down in the 1960s. The pinstriping was a huge deal back in the day. You guys can see it comes standard with the hardtop, the color matched white hardtop that matches the pinstriping, as well as the front grille. And then also with the Bronco, you guys can see a little snippet on the corner here that shows the original white wheels that come with the Heritage Edition. Now with Krietz Customs, you know we have to put our own spin on it, so I want to get your opinions on if we should have kept the original white wheels or if you like the upgraded wheels that we added to this Bronco. So starting off with some of the items that we kind of upgraded, we went ahead and did the fuel flame wheel. This is a 22x12 gloss black and candy red, so it kind of matches that body color of this Heritage. The tire is going to be a Nitto Ridge Grappler, a 35, 12, 50, 22, so you're going to get the best of both worlds with that tire. You're going to have great drivability on-road and some off-road capabilities, and you're also going to get that aggressive tire. Now, standard with the Bronco, with the Heritage Edition, it does come equipped with the Sasquatch package. With the Sasquatch package, it does come with the upgraded mud tires as well, but again, we got rid of those and added the Nitto Ridge Grappler, so it gives you that off-road feel with the Bronco. The suspension kit, it does come equipped with the Sasquatch package, so it is an upgraded off-road suspension. So that way you're going to get the bigger wheel and tire package from factory. But again, we wanted to go bigger, so we added the 2.5-inch rough country suspension kit with this vehicle as well. So that's pretty much what Krietz Customs did to this vehicle. That's all we had to do to upgrade it. Now let me know in the comments if you like the upgraded version compared to the older style. In my opinion, I do like what we did with the Krietz Customs build. I like the upgraded suspension, so that way it's taller. You can get those bigger wheel and tire package, but honestly, I do like the way it comes stock. I love the white wheels, and I like the kind of factory look with the bigger tires and the smaller wheels. So I think the Heritage Bronco looked good before, but it also looks good after. But let me know in the comments below what your opinions are. Now, talking about, there was something else I was going to mention as I was talking, and I don't remember what I was going to say. Oh yes, the Barbie Bronco. So we actually did another Bronco that we color matched. We did a pink version of it, so the body was pink, but the hardtop was white. Now, if you want to go with a bigger wheel and tire package like this one, we actually powder coated those bigger wheels white, so you can still get that older style Bronco, the white wheels, with your larger package that you want to go with. Because that's an option we can do too. So you can still get the best of both worlds. If you want to upgrade, you can still keep those white wheels, which is another option for you guys. So enough with the exterior. The interior is probably the best part. Some of the options are really cool. One thing I want to mention is that the Heritage Bronco, as you can see, it's completely different from the sister models, how it looks, how it's designed. Going back to the 1960s, how many of you remember how to drive a manual or know how to drive a manual? Because this Bronco is a manual, which is pretty cool. I know how to drive a manual, so my dad taught me how to do that way back in my days when I first started driving. Not really, I think I kind of learned maybe a year ago. But still, I can still drive a manual, so let me know if you can and you would like to drive this one. So coming into the exterior, the first thing you guys can see is the dash across the panel. If you guys want to take a closer look, if you want to get in there just to see the white panel across there, that actually comes standard from factory. We did not upgrade that. If you see a lot of our other Broncos on our lot, we kind of want to duplicate this look. You can see that the dash is color matched to the exterior portion of the vehicle, but this is standard in the Heritage. You guys can also see the seats are a navy pier. So this is going also back to the 1960s with that navy interior. So let me know if you guys actually like the navy interior and the design across the whole entire upholstery in the vehicle. Like I said, this vehicle is a manual. It does come equipped with all of your safety features, so blind spot monitoring, lane keeping. It also has your emergency braking system, and then some other features as well that this Heritage comes equipped with. Now what's really cool is that the Broncos are equipped with a lot of space in the back seat as well as the trunk area. So you guys can see in the back here, it does have the navy pier interior in the back, as well as lots of space for car seats. You guys have space for dogs, children as well, long car rides. This is going to be the perfect family vehicle for that family trip that you have going to the beach, going to the carnival, going to Hershey Park, any type of amusement park that you want to take your kids to, or if you have a dog and you want to take them to the dog park, perfect for this. It's great for car seats. I have a kid, I put the car seat in the back, my son has plenty of room. What's also cool is that the trunk area or the cargo area is also nice and roomy, so it's perfect for any type of luggage. You want to put your dogs back there, pretty much anything. It has your tie straps down here to keep stuff secure. It has your 12-volt port back here if you need it. The seats are super easy to fold down, so you have lots of space in here. If you pull this up, let me pull the other one down. Ugh. Lots of room back there for some, what they say on Step Brothers? Lots of room for activities, is that what they say? Lots of room for activities here in the back. Like I said, it does come equipped with the hard top, which is super easy to remove. You guys can keep your panels in the garage, and they also have your panel storage right here for you. You guys can see back here, this is going to be for the hard top removal. So that way you guys can remove them easily. You guys can move the top two panels for the Freedom Top. A lot of people do that in the summertime if they don't want to take the whole hard top off. You do have your front two panels that you can just take off and ride around. This does come equipped with the tow package as well, so it comes equipped with the wiring and the tow hitch, so you don't have to add that later on. Have y'all ever seen Bigfoot on a Bronco before? Because if not, this bad boy comes equipped with it, okay? Look at that. I know I threw a lot of information at you guys with the interior and the exterior about the Heritage Bronco. Now, the Heritage Bronco has a price tag of $50,000. This is a no-brainer for me whatsoever. You're getting the Bronco that comes equipped with the Sasquatch package. You're getting the hardtop with the Bronco, all of the safety features with the Bronco. The sister trim levels, they start at 47. They have a soft top. They don't have the Sasquatch package, and they just go up from there when you start adding those items. So obviously a no-brainer, $50,000. You're getting everything equipped with this. The Wild Tracks is another sister trim level that comes with the Sasquatch package and the hardtop, but they are much higher than $50,000. So again, Ford Bronco Heritage Edition. It's got the pinstriping from the 1960s, some other features of the grille and the Ford in the front, the hardtop as well being the white, kind of flows together, all nice, aesthetically pleasing Bronco, okay? Just come to Krietz Auto and come buy this thing, because guess what? This is actually on our lot. You can purchase this. We're located at 400 North Street in Frederick, Maryland. If you want to come by, see it, we have a ton of inventory, 160 plus units on our lot, currently lifted, customized in some way or fashion. So again, you can come here at Krietz Auto, give us a call 301-694-4642. Make a trip, come see me, come say hi to me, come say hi to Charlie, because you know he's a celebrity as well. He's the owner. He's always around here somewhere. So again, 301-694-4642 or 400 North Street here in Frederick, Maryland.